वाटर टेक्नोलोजी रे भारत 2019 वर्ल्ड स्किल्स रे स्वर्ण पदक जीति सीवी रमन विश्वविद्यालय छात्र यह हासिल करते आज जाए यह ही वर्ल्ड स्किल्स रे भारत एकमात्र स्वर्ण पदक एथर मध्य भारत वाटर टेक्नोलोजी रे कौशल देखा पहुंची लियोन रे जल को विशोधन कर पानी उपयोगी करने प्रकल्प निर्माण चली कारण 71% पानी पृथ्वी को घेरी रही 90% रु अधिक जल सामुद्रिक जल अधिकांश प्रदूषित जल रही सी वेस्ट ट्रिटमेंट जरिया विशोधन करिबारे बारंबार निज कौशल देखाई भारतीय प्रतियोगी तेबे वाटर टेक्नोलोजी कौन और यार उपकारिता कौन मिलिबो एने वर्ल्ड स्किल्स कंपटीशन मैनेजर लियुंक सह अधिक आलोचना करिसेंती आम प्रतिनिधि प्रियपित महांती।
जल ही जीवन पृथ्वीर 71 भाग में जल अच्छी किंतु एपरी भी जल अच्छी जोटा समुद्र को पलाऊँच कि विशोधन करा जाऊ नहीं जो प्रदूषित जल पाँच लोके किंतु एबे वर्ल्ड स्किल्स रे गोटे एपरी टेक्नोलोजी जोटा वाटर टेक्नोलोजी कह जाए किपरि विशोधन करा जल को ताकू पानीय जल भाव व्यवहार करा जाए पर सेतिपई मध्य व्यवस्था करा जाउछि पिलामाने तापर प्रोजेक्ट भी करूछंती 2019 रे भारत जो गोल्ड पाइतला ता वाटर टेक्नोलोजी रे सीवी रमन कॉलेज सेतबेले थिला ता छात्र पाइतले सीवी रमन ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी बे पुन तरे भाग नैछि केते कोन पॉसिबिलिटी रहउछि वाटर टेक्नोलोजी कोन एटार वर्ल्ड स्किल्स कंपटीशन मैनेजर अच्छंती लियू तांको सह आलोचना करबो। मिस्टर लियू वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नंदीघोष टीवी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वांट टू नो व्हाट इज वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल अबाउट।
So if you look at the competition behind the water technology, they test different type of the skill, also some of the knowledge they need to know. We roughly divide in the 3 parts. The first one will be on the water quality testing. So they have to know whether this water is safe to drink or whether it's good or whether has been polluted. Then how much pollution inside, right? So that will be on the water quality testing. The other part will be on the process and control because when we want to clean the water, right, they must know how do we clean it. They must understand the process and in the process, they need different type of the equipment like a valve, pump, all this, the water level. So they must know the sensor, I want to control this water level, right? So that will be on the second part. The other part, the last part will be on the mechanical maintenance. Imagine there's one of the plant, right? So the pump got problem. They must know what the problem. They have to go to find out and take out the pump to repair it. That's roughly about the 3 main area look at these competitions.
Mr. Liu, the second thing we want to know is that sewage treatment plant, a lot of countries, including your country, Singapore has applied that. What is that sewage treatment plant all about? And after treatment, how is it being used for drinking purposes?
Yeah, so that's a good question. So the water will come from a river or from the lake. We need to clean it. We cannot directly drink it. So how do we clean it, right? So normally the water, the first one we concern will be some of the particles. People will see it, right? So that's normally current is by almost every country. They are using settling. So let the particle to settle, okay? So after that, still something is too tiny. We cannot see it. So we have give some chemical. Then let this chemical to combine with the tiny, could be organic, could be other inorganic. Then they will form a big particle, again let them settle. That will be the second process. Then the last process normally is what we call disinfection. So any virus, bacteria inside, we have to kill them, right? So it's a common process, almost like apply everywhere.
Do all countries in the world, they go for a sewage treatment plant?
So most of the country, they have the proper cleaning process to make sure the water is clean and safe to drink. But right now, there are still millions of people in the world. They don't have access to the safe drinking water. So water technology for this competition, even overall for the water technology, it is important. Okay?
Mr. Louis, we want to just go with you there. We want to just know something about these machines. This is just, we're seeing this machine in the competition refresher here only. But what is this machine all about?
So this machine, if you see, we have some of the tank, they have some of the pipe, and also, again, different type of sensor. So it's a small system to simulate a water treatment plant, right? Because if you go to the treatment plant, I want to test maybe one pump, I want to shut it down, it's not possible. So here is a process to simulate the plant. We can control the plant. We can control any part of the device. You want to off it, you want to on it, you want to see the process flow. So this is a mini system of a water treatment plant to test the competitor whether they know how to operate this small system.
We are looking at various parts. How can the pressure be controlled?
Okay, maybe one of the question example will be if you see this one. So that's the water level, and this one that will be the flow meter. If you see, right? So that will be some other filter. just now you mentioned the pressure sensor, right? So this system may not have the pressure sensor because this one is simulated for the water supply system. They have, this will be the chlorine sensor. So, I mean, there's different types of sensors and device just to simulate. We have quite a few. We have 3 stations. So each station have test different skills.
The last question will be that in how much time can this water be purified? It can be treated.
So that's take maybe hours in generally. So that's again the process dependent process. The time could be different, right? So that's normally in hours. So the water come into the plant, then come out to the clean, come to our tap to drink. That would be hours.
Just a message from you to save water to the whole world.
I mean, let's protect our water, conserve our water, right? To make the clean water to be accessible by everyone around the group.
Thank you, Mr. Liu. It was nice talking to you. Competition managers थिले wall skills रा गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण कथा कहते कौन सब प्रोसेस रही है मेसीन रे किपरि भाबे प्रेशर ताकू रखा जाउची प्रेशर मपा जाउची तार जो मेसीन रही से मेसीनरी रे सब केमिकल रो देखा जाउची जे केमिति जल रे कौन कौन रही खराब पार्टिकल रही जो पार्टिकल को विशोधन करा जिवो ए प्रेशर मेसीन तापरे मेसीन द्वारा सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट करा जाउची विभिन्न देश अछि जे माने सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट करछंती आबुधाबी रे कांसेप्ट आस्तिला तापर से कांसेप्ट सिंगापुर को मध्य देखा देछि वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी निहाती भाव समस्ते केवल जे साइंस बैकग्राउंड पिला जानिबा कथा नुहे साधारण लोकटे भी जानिबा कथा कारण जल समस्त जीवन में गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण महत्व रखे बिना जल कहीं बंची पारे नहीं तेणु जल को किपरि विशोधन करेंगे पॉल्यूशन रु मुक्त रखिए आ भल पानी उपयोगी रखिपारे ताहा समस्त कर्तव्य फ्रांस लियोन सहर कैमरा पर्सन सोमेन सह प्रियप्रीतम महांती नंदीघोष टीवी।